Hello, I'd like to welcome these next few clips that I've got. Over the weekend, I took my wife to a truck show, which, looking at my driveway, sometimes I kind of wonder what we needed to go for, but it was fun anyway. Being as my driveway is kind of a truck show itself. But, you know, minor details. It was a fun time. There's a lot of stories you can hear from some of those guys who've been doing it for a while. They got a lot of passion for it. I didn't record their stories, but I did get some footage of their trucks, and here it is coming up next. It's a shame all the cool trucks came on the trailer. Ooh, look, a golf cart. Golf cart rims. Truck butts.
How about this? Bought it. Anything. Well, here's my truck right here.
No, that's not your truck. Silly.